Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is.
What's left of it?
Bit of a twitchy bum moment, that one, isn't it?
That one's close, yeah.
It's worse yet.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh Jesus Christ! Look. Fucking hell! We almost went over.
Hold on to your seat.
Yeah, hold on to my seat. Oh
my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Can't even sit on my seat! Holy shit! Look! Fucking hell! We almost went over! The whole car twitched! Shit! Kate, did you see that? Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Did you feel the whole back of the car? The whole back of the car. This is not funny. This is not funny. Oh my god! The whole back of the car came off the floor then. Oh my god! Look at this.
This is insane.
How does he doing this?
What the fuck?
Oh my god, mate! I nearly went over then.
Miles off, mate.
Was it? No, seriously. Before you didn't see the whole. It lifted off.
Lifted.
It lifted off the floor.
You've got +2 shocks, so once they've extended to their max, they stop, which is why your brake lines are being saved as well.
Oh right.
So stop.
That. What?
Right, I'd go right side if you want less of a lean. Hold on to your seat.
Yeah, hold on to my seat.
Yeah, hold on to your seat.
Should I get my seatbelt on?
Probably would, Jack.
This way, like this?
Yeah.
Fucking hell! Oh my god! Am I stuck here? Kate! Oh my god! No! Oh!
Oh my god!
Ah!
His car's lifted.
Ah! 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 Oh! Oh my god! How is that possible? Physically?
Wow.
That was scary.
He wasn't wrong when they were like, it's gonna get worse.
Yeah, this is bad.
This is much worse.
This is crazy. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. How is my wing, if my wing mirror comes out of this? Yes. Jesus fucking Christ. So this crazy bastard is going down this. Now it looks nothing on camera. Mate, look at this guy. What the? Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh.
Easy! Easy!
Now you gotta get back up it.
Oh. Oh my god, thank God for that log. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need a picture of this. Oh, should have got a picture. Oh my god, he's gonna fall off. Oh my god.
Yeah! Yes, you fucking
I don't know why I'm agreeing to this, but the video is going to call me a pussy if I don't. I'm going to wait for everyone to help, because this is way out of my comfort zone. Tell me where I need to be, Case. Oh my god. Straight. Straight. Yeah.
Hard turn, hard turn.
That's all I've got. Yeah.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
We're literally 90.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Holy shit!
But I'm gonna have to use a bit of clutch, a bit of... Oh my god, I can't. Straight. I can't even sit on my seat. My wing mirror's gonna go in it.
Wait, let me put the wing mirror in.
Right on down a little bit. Steer yourself away from the bank now.
Just like that.
Yeah, and a bit more.
Yeah.
Keep going on that line.
Oh my god.
This is us getting. We're getting good. Like,
Straight. Is that right?
More right. Right and down.
Right down.
Turn into me a little bit. Turn into me.
Yeah. It's actually not as dramatic inside the car. Oh, my brake pedal does not feel nice. Yeah. Okay, that's. Woo! Oh, shit it out. Oh, oh, in. So we're going down this hill, and he just said, "Are you ready for it?" So I don't know what the fuck to expect, but hopefully it's not too bad. So apparently they wanted to come up this. I had no brakes then. Oh my god, absolutely no brakes. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm definitely getting more confident in the truck as we go out and do these crazy stuff, because this is pretty, today's been pretty crazy. Like going down that little ravine thing, oh my god, that was absolutely crazy. Jesus, this looks steep, right? What? Okay, I don't think it's too bad. Oh my god, okay, it's a little bit steep. Let's use the, should we use the hill thing? Right, I'm on hill descent. Nope, that's going crazy. Hill descent does not work, everybody. I don't know. Why is it? It's going so fast. I'm trying to not brake. Okay, hill descent's going off. Oh, this is a horrible big rock here. Jeez. Oh. 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 I feel like this is the way we came in. I think we saw this. The way we came. Yeah, bitches. This is the last bit to get out, so we're gonna have a little bit of a water run. Woohoo! Oh god, that stinks, that water. Okay, so that's the end of the day. We're gonna drive home now. We've got even just driving out of this place is great. My main camera is dead, all the SD card's full, and my GoPro is very close to being dead and another SD card full. So I've got a lot of footage. I think I've got a lot more than I think. So there might be 2 videos of this. I don't want to try to feel like I've got to cut most of the day out just to make it in one video. So there might be 2 videos, or there might be 1 video. If there is 2 videos, thank you for watching the second video. Didn't even know how deep that was.